somebody thinks she's going to be cute and crawl up the stairs today. Let's see how she goes. You crawling up the stairs? You following the kitties? Go ahead. It's dirty, I promise. Oh, baby, you make me nervous. Careful. Careful. You can do it. There's just one more. Careful. Go. No, don't look back at me. Good job, baby. Yay, baby. There she goes. Baby, look at Mama. She's gone. She just peaced out. What are you doing? All for a red cup. You're crazy. Excuse me. Hi, are you proud of yourself now?